All right, peace and blessings. March the 16th, Friday, the year 2018. The fun never stops around here. An article came out tonight regarding Schaeffer Cox. Let's read it into YouTube. I'll put the link in the description bar in the comments. Alaskan man convicted on conspiracy charges sues individuals over money collected for legal defense by Naughty A. Fernandez. Came out today at 9 a.m. East St. Louis. An Alaskan man previously convicted on federal murder conspiracy charges alleges several individuals used money raised for his legal defense to unjustly enrich themselves. Francis Schaeffer Cox filed a complaint on February the 5th in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Illinois against Terry Dodd, Stuart Skrill, Maria Rensel et al. Over alleged violations of the Illinois Uniform Deceptive Trade Practices Act, Illinois Consumer Fraud and Deceptive Businesses Practice Act, and other counts. According to the complaint, the plaintiff was arrested in March 2011 by the FBI's Joint Terrorism Task Force for his involvement in the Alaskan Peacekeeper Militia. Cox was indicted and convicted of conspiracy to commit murder, weapons, and explosive charges. On January the 8th, 2013, Cox was sentenced to 310 months imprisonment, since vacated. The plaintiff alleges that there were ongoing efforts from multiple parties to assist his legal defense, and the defendants formed a partnership known as Free Schaeffer Cox. The plaintiff alleges the defendants intended to take possession of any funds collected by the partnership by fraud. The plaintiff alleges the defendants used his identity to collect more than $3 million under the false pretense that the money would be used for his legal defense. The plaintiff requests a trial by jury and seeks declaratory judgment, compensatory, nominal, and punitive damages, injunctive relief, and any other relief that the court sees fit to grant. He is representing himself pro se. U.S. District Court of Southern District of Illinois, case number 3:18-CV-00173-SMY-RJD. It's a very sad state of affairs that this had to happen. I was aware of some of the efforts to make this not happen, so that people would communicate and get together and do the right thing. But given that this has happened, and it is going this far, I pray nothing but the success of Schaeffer Cox in his efforts to hold people accountable. Thank you for your time, and let me also say a quick shout out to Angela Clemens, who has now taken on the role of handling the financial affairs for Schaeffer Cox. She is doing a thankless job that most people do not understand, nor care to even understand, nor have a good comprehension on what's going on. But we love Angela Clemens. Schaeffer Cox loves Angela Clemens, and we pray for her continued success in doing the job that she does. The analogy that I would give is it's carrying the ring like Frodo in Lord of the Rings. And we believe that Angela has a pure heart, and she's very transparent. She communicates often with Schaeffer, and Schaeffer has a say. Get this. It's absolutely shocking. Schaeffer actually has a say in how the money is spent for his legal defense. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that shocking? Why in the world would you want to let Schaeffer have a say in how the money is spent that is raised in his name? My goodness. Being a little bit sarcastic there, but that's an article that came out tonight. I probably said more than I should say, but I wanted to keep you guys updated. Take care. God bless. Please keep Schaeffer Cox and his family in your prayers.